Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and I just love a good book for my son that is cute, fun, but also teaches him a little something along the way. This book called When Cloud Became a Cloud by Rob Hodgson's is the cutest book. We actually got it from the library and we loved it so much that I immediately went on Amazon and purchased it. This book is adorable. It talks about throughout the book as you see how cloud became a cloud. The illustrations of this book are absolutely beautiful. They are so cute and fun. You can see they have little faces. The colors are extremely vibrant and very attractive for little ones. Love that it also has little mini chapters. This chapter 3 here is on snow. So of course it's cold. As you can see, the little droplets freezing. You get to see cloud through rain, snow, storms, and even when it's time for cloud to rest. It's truly just a fun book that the child is learning the entire time you're reading. So if you're looking for a cute book about how clouds are formed and a little bit about the water cycle, I would definitely check this one out, When Cloud Became a Cloud. But that's just our point of view.